This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rebecca Lester. Wow! This is it! This stunning former model home is in immaculate condition and boasts an open floor plan featuring 3 spacious bedrooms with custom master suite closets and 2 recently remodeled bathrooms. The large kitchen is a chef's dream, with a breakfast bar, granite countertops, undermount sink, upgraded 42-inch cabinets with crown molding, new kitchen appliances, and a cozy eat-in area. Both bathrooms are beautifully upgraded, with the master featuring a garden tub, and both showers equipped with rain shower heads and body spray for a luxurious experience. This home includes many exceptional upgrades such as energy-efficient, impact-resistant glass windows with reinforced locks and frames, a brand new roof, installed in 2021, an Aquapure water filtration system, and beautiful landscaping. Enjoy peaceful views of the conservation area and lake, perfect for relaxation. The community pool adds to the appeal, and the location couldn't be more convenient, close to I-75/275, an outlet mall, Publix, and a variety of restaurants. Additional features include a separate laundry room, a finished two-car garage with storage space, a newer water heater, and all appliances, including the washer and dryer, are included. Furniture is available. For more information,